Hi guys, this is Sam from UberDriverNow.com. I just wanted to show you guys how to set up trip sharing in your Uber driver app. Basically, whenever you're online, you can share your location with your family or friends by tapping this button right here and tapping on Share Trip. Now, before you do that, you have to actually set it up. So, tap on the top right hand corner on your profile picture and then go to account. Then you're going to go to app settings, and where it says share trip, you're going to tap on share trip. Here you're going to make sure that you have selected show icon on map is on, and select contacts. You can either have another app from another app, or you can do it from your address book. Once you select from address book, you will do next, and here you're going to type in the contact that you're looking for. Mine, I'm just going to use one of the numbers, Google Voice numbers that I own. I'm going to go ahead and select it, confirm, and you can keep adding as many as you want. And then once that is complete, you're going to go back. Now you're going to go online. You're going to go to the shield. You're going to go to share trip. And it is now being shared on that number. They will receive a text message saying that there'll be a link on the text to click on. When they click on it, it'll show your live location on a map. And then when you want to stop sharing, you can simply tap stop, and it's going to stop sharing your location. And that's basically it. See, there you go. They'll receive a text saying that that you have stopped sharing your location with them. And that is basically it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and hit on that logo on the bottom right of the screen and hit subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.